Hey, I'm your personal Diva assistant. In this short tutorial I will show you how to create your personal ads for your Diva with the help of viewneo. All you need is a computer or laptop with internet access. Go to viewneo.com and click on Login at the top of the navigation. By creating your account in the Diva app you have immediate access to the viewneo content management system. Just use the same access data as in the app and off you go. Welcome to the viewneo CMS. At first sight there are certainly a lot of cool things to discover here, but this is only about your personal ads. On the left side you will find the navigation. For you, only the items, devices and playlists are interesting. Under the point devices, Diva, you can see all the locations you have defined in the app and the corresponding Divas. You can also see the date of activation, the last connection to the internet and general information about your Diva. In the Playlists tab, Diva, you can view the display schedule of your Diva, the playback history, i.e. which displays were shown at what time and which display is currently running on your Diva. Further to the right you will see your Diva folder, in which all your displays, graphics and also the photos that you have taken using the Diva app are stored. From there you can easily drag and drop the displays you have created onto your Diva. But first of all we create such an ad. There are two ways to do this. Viewneo offers you a large selection of ready-made designs for a wide variety of offers. To use such a template, right-click on the empty area and select the option, Create from Template. The Templates folder will be displayed immediately. Once you have decided on a template, you can double-click on it to customize the various elements according to your wishes. After clicking on Save you have created your first display from a template and can be dragged onto your Diva. But now comes the exciting part and we create our own personal ad. Click again with the right mouse button in the empty window and select the option Create Template. You are now in the Viewneo Template Designer, the place where you can give free rein to your creativity. As soon as you select the Diva preset, the entire surface is adapted to your Diva and nothing can go wrong. With a right click on the stage or a left click on the plus in the upper left corner you can create a text field. For the text, you have the option of using several integrated fonts or one of the huge selection of Google fonts. Our selection of beautiful fonts for the Diva can be found right at the top. On the right-hand side you will also find the various settings to customize your text fields. If you add a media file using the plus button, you will find another folder called Diva Assets in the Start folder. There you will find a lot of pre-made small graphics, from muffins to drinks and deco graphics to enhance your template. Browse there a little bit. After saving, all you have to do is right-click on the template to create a slide. As soon as you drag the ad into your playlist you can choose a start time to show your ad immediately or at a certain time. After saving your ad you will find it directly in the Viewneo Diva app. Select Media and search for the folder or ad you have just created. After you have selected an ad, you have to tell the corresponding Divas when you want the ad to be displayed. As Divas are very environmentally conscious, they always activate every 5 minutes and in the meantime they are in a so-called deep sleep. So if your Diva doesn't play the new display immediately, don't worry and let it wake up in peace.